2026 is going to be the year where you are going to make a lot of money, but knowing what market and where you could make this money is going to be crucial. Today, I'm going to give you guys three different methods that you will be able to use to make money and become not rich, but become wealthy. And we're going to get started, of course, with the first one, which is one that I personally love and I teach you guys every single time, and that is trading meme coins. If you guys are new and never heard of meme coins, highly recommend you guys definitely start doing some research. This channel provides you with a lot of information. There are also books that will help you learn how to trade meme coins. I'll leave links to all that information down below. But basically, trading meme coins gives you such a huge advantage. And I've shown you guys example after example after example, even live on stream, how you're able to turn $100 to $1,000, $100 to $2,000, $100 to $10,000 with live examples, not only when we stream, but also when we do the trades and I give you guys the alpha before the alpha. Now, the advantage of trading meme coins is there are a ton of ways for you guys to be able to do so, and you can learn very easily. And it's mostly driven narratives that are going to be able to help you guys become very good at trading meme coins. And the great thing is, you guys have the resource to find out what to trade, what not to trade, and how you can get started in the game by watching this channel. Now, the great thing, guys, about trading meme coins is that the entries are so low. And yes, like always, the risks are always going to be high, but the entries are so low. If you get in early, you're able to make a lot of massive gains. As you guys seen, some people have made 100,000, some people made 50,000, 30,000. In my personal opinion, anything that you're able to make money in and change your life, that is the most important thing that you could possibly do. Even if it's 100, if it's 200, if it's extra additional money in your pocket, that's what counts and that's what matters. And guys, trading meme coins is one of the best methods coming in 2026. It already started kind of in 2024, but I think 2026 is going to be a very year where we're going to see meme coins not only become a very big predominant in the space, not only in crypto, but also that more people are going to get involved. But I think they're going to evolve to something where we're going to see more major brands get involved in making meme coins. So if you guys need help trading meme coins, links are down below to what you need, all the tools and information you need, and we will be updating with videos as we progress throughout the year. The next method of making a lot of money, life-changing money, guys, is of course Poly Marketing, and that is predictive trading, guys. This is basically a yes and no type of game. All of these methods, guys, theoretically, I'm going to put them in the category of gambling. As long as you know how to gamble correctly, you should be good. And the way I like to explain this is super duper easy, right? Say you walk into a casino, you have 10 coins, and there's a bunch of slot machines, and you just literally don't know what slot machines are the ones going to kind of, be the one. The advantage you have within this channel and with our Discord is like I can literally say this machine looks a lot better than the other machines, and we're actually pretty accurate when it comes to that. So you guys want to make sure you position yourselves in knowing what machines to actually head to for the slots to make some really good gains. Of course, like always, there's always that possibility you could lose. And one thing we always say, never risk what you can't afford to lose. But with that being said, predictive marketings are going to be huge in 2026. As you guys know, Poly Market recently entered in the United States. You're now able to trade here. And the way this works is relatively simple. You find something you're really good at. You can find political if you're really good at politics, sports, financing, crypto, earning, tech, culture, whatever you're good at, pick that lane and just trade based on that lane, okay? We're going to be making videos on how to trade properly, what are the best and most effective ways to actually make a lot of money in predictive marketing. So if that's something you guys want to see, link is down below. For example, this TikTok sale one, people were kind of figuring out when was it going to get announced? Is it going to get announced? We kind of already have information, but there was a really, really good chance for you guys to actually get some really good bids in here. In addition to that, if you're looking for stuff, on the Fed decision for January, are we going to come down a couple points? Are we going to go up a couple points? There's another thing. So if you have really good either insight or information or are just pretty good at sports, like for example, you know which basketball team's really good, which football team's going to win right now with the World Cup coming, if you kind of want to take a little bit of dabs on who's going to actually win the World Cup, if you're going to look at a game, for example, this Lakers Jazz game here, it's currently right now live. You literally trade this live and make some good gains. Way to actually this is using it in Poly Market, but you could also do it in Kalshi as well, which is basically the same thing. They kind of go along the same lines of you being able to pick which one you should, you should go for and which one you shouldn't, but one works a little bit different. There, and in Poly Market, you might find something that's not going to be in Kalshi. In Kalshi, you might find something that's not going to be in Poly Market. Sometimes the odds are a little bit different, so you kind of want to look at both and get used to both of them, and kind of learn how to trade that way. And it should be pretty exciting. For example, we have this, Rams, Seahawks game coming out right now, and as you guys see, the trades are going kind of crazy. The game is tied up. It's in overtime. People don't know what to do. I mean, if you come in here, right? Let me just give you an example. Let's say I were to drop $100 here, and it's a yes, then I make 136. If I drop $100 here to the Seahawks, then it's going to be 354. So you guys kind of get an idea of how crazy things could get, especially when you're trading this really, really effective in 2026. Of course, predictive marketings are going to kind of blow up a lot. The next one we have, guys, is perpetual trading. And now this one's a little bit more riskier and you need a little bit more information. This is like a huge, huge gamble with the money of the casino. And when you have the money of the casino, you're most likely have the odds of losing. But if you play the game correctly, you should do pretty well. How does this actually work? Well, the way this works is you're able to pick any of these coins, like for example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. You even have some meme coins like Fart Coin. You have Sui and coins that are actually already within, an exchange. You could kind of put a leverage or a perpetual on it. For example, you see Bitcoin says it's a 40x. So basically, what this does, it allows you to put a certain amount of money, and it 40x is that amount, but it has a time limit of how long it's going to take for that actually to 40x. If for some reason it takes longer, or for some reason it drops below your target, you could literally lose all your funds. Or if it actually goes up, then you will be making a ton of money within those funds as well. So perpetual trading is really, really good, but it's the one that's a little bit more riskier than other. But I do see a lot of people transitioning here just because it takes a little bit less. I would say, I don't want to say less money. It takes a little bit more money, less money to invest with a higher upside, but with a higher risk. So perpetual trading is pretty fun. Links is down below to the Axiom if you guys want to get started trading on Axiom as well. And if you guys need more videos on how to perpetual trade, how to trade properly, make sure you guys drop those questions down below. Overall, in general, these are the three major things that I personally feel will help you become wealthy as long as you're playing it right. And all this information is not only found in our Discord, found on our website, but in addition to that, you can definitely pick up one of the books that we have down below to learn how to do every single one of these things. I hope you guys are excited for 2026. I think it's going to be a huge year, and whichever one you pick, we're here to help you out and guide you in that journey. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.